A police lineup is a process in which an eyewitness to a crime views a number of people, including a suspect, who is presented alongside other people who are known to be innocent, in order to see if the eyewitness can pick out the suspect as being the perpetrator of the crime. Lineups can involve either live presentations, videos, or, as was the case in our drama, photographs. The idea is that an identification made during a lineup can count as evidence during a subsequent trial. Unfortunately, traditional lineups have led to many instances of mistaken identity. In the case of Lydell Grant, the man falsely identified by 6 eyewitnesses of committing a murder, the police organised a photographic lineup. 2 out of the 3 bouncers at the nightclub who witnessed the murder incorrectly identified Lydell from the lineup as being the murderer. A bartender said Lydell resembled the attacker. 2 club patrons and a passerby also incorrectly identified Lydell. Based on these lineup identifications, Lydell was charged with first-degree murder. And, as we know, it was subsequently proven via DNA evidence and by the testimony of the real murderer that Lydell was in fact innocent. So, could the blame for any of these incorrect identifications be a result of how the lineups were conducted? In the next few videos, we'll be looking at the right and wrong way to run a lineup, according to evidence from psychological research. Some of the issues we'll talk about are directly reflected in Lydell Grant's case, where it's entirely possible that the way the lineups were conducted might have contributed to him being wrongly accused. Some of these issues were also reflected in the photographic lineup we showed as part of our drama. Let's start with an activity where you have to try and identify Ray's suspect in our drama from a lineup.